going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double Level, and we're going to be unboxing a smart lock for your home. This is going to be a door lock for the interior of your home. So if you have a room that you want to secure, it's also good for college students. If you're in a dorm, you want to secure your part of your room, or if you just have like a game room or an office or a studio like mine that you want to make a little bit more secure. You want to have a smart lock on there. And what I mean by smart lock, this particular lock has a fingerprint scanner on it with also an input for codes. So we're going to be unboxing this. We're also going to install it. With that said, let's go ahead and get to it. Right, so in the box, you get a thank you card. Now this is pretty cool. The company is called Secustone. Secure your family. That's pretty cool. And then also you have a template to help you guide you when you're installing your door lock on your door. It's going to be your screws. Part of the lock. Oh. Nice. And this is going to be the outside. So you have the inside handle and then the outside handle. And this feels really good. It has some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. This is going to be where the fingerprint scanner is and the codes. And you have choices of putting in a code. It does also take a key. And then also this doesn't have to be hardwired. It actually takes AAA batteries. So you just insert the batteries, and we're going to go over that with the install. So with that said, let's go ahead and get this installed so we can take a look. So the first step to the installation is to install the deadbolt. Next, we're going to take the plate off your inside door handle. So next, we're going to install the bars on handle A. Now that we have our smart lock installed, the studio is safe and secure. This is a nice upgrade for anyone who's looking to secure their room, their office, or any type of space inside their home or office. And remember, you can have up to 50 users, 100 fingerprints, you get keys, and you can use a 6 to 8 digit passcode. Well, hopefully that was enough information for you to make your choice on the smart lock. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Other than that, this is Rashard D with Double Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.